I'm David Kyle, field engineer for the West Coast of the United States with digital projection, here to go over a few products at our new DP booth at CEDIA 2009. In front of us currently is the new mVision Cine Chassis 260 model. This is a 1080p single chip projector with a single 260 watt UHP base lamp. Single chip, color wheel, standard single chip projector with all of your allotted inputs that you'd ever want. Really, you have RS-232, you have all of your BNC connectors for component, for standard composite video, dual HDMI inputs, capable of displaying up to 1920 by 1080 resolution. This unit is outputting currently 2,000 lumens at a 3,000 to 1 contrast ratio. The Cine series of our new projectors are the projectors that have aperture plates installed, much like our Titan reference, which you'll see later, that allows it to obtain that higher contrast ratio with still the same color saturation. This is a brand new unit for it this year. We have a commercial chassis, and this is the Cine chassis. Cine chassis has a carbon fiber cover on the top and a more curved, easy to the eyes appearance in comparison to our commercial chassis, which is much more square. This unit has manual lens shift and zoom and focus. Standard lenses are pre-installed. There's a wide range of lenses available and screw-on adapters that will take the lens ratio down to 8 to 1. Shift is available on the top of the unit with an insertion tool that is an Allen wrench, allows you to shift left, right, top to bottom. You have half of a frame top to bottom and a quarter frame left and right, same as our Titan series projectors. Very easy to work with, all rear access. Air comes in from the right-hand side of the projector, and air is outputted on the left-hand side of the projector. Very quiet, one of our quietest projectors, same quietness as our iVision projector, and much more quiet than the dVision, which is currently in the same category as the mVision. IR, front and rear, everything that all of our projectors have always had. ColorMax technology from our Titan series projectors and from our dVision series projectors, allowing it to obtain perfect color balance without any prior knowledge of how to color balance a projector. All you would need is a light meter and access to the built-in user's interface. You can install all of your numbers and get it all up to D65 or Rec 709 that you'd like the installation to be. This is a product produced directly by us. It's not an OEM product, and we're very excited to bring it to market, and it should be shipping later this year. Price point well below $10,000 retail. And we hope to get this out to you guys fourth quarter or first quarter of 2010. Now we're looking at the digital projection Titan 1080p dual 3D unit. This is a dual lamp 600/700 chassis projector that is capable of 120 hertz. It will shoot 1080p 120 hertz native, or you can run standard 60 hertz video through it also, all the way down to 24, as all of our Titan series chassis will support. This is the reference unit, so it has an aperture plate installed, allowing it to obtain contrasts up to 5,000 to 1 contrast ratio. This particular projector is good from 4,000 to 6,000 lumens, 3-chip model, dark chip 3, and wide range of lenses. Has built in what we're calling intelligent lens memory, or ILM, that allows the projector to be recorded in a preset with lens positioning at a set location, and allows you to recall that over Crestron or over a control system or with the remote, and the lens will move zoom, focus, and shift to that preset position. We have a Cooltech silencer on the rear of this unit, which allows all of the air to be either exited downward or upward. Has a available ceiling mount that can mount on the top of the projector or on the bottom of the projector. Frame down and a quarter frame left and right. The lamps in this model are UHP-based proprietary lamps. This particular one uses dual 300-watt lamps, so there's 2 lamps inside this guy. All of your inputs, standard set of inputs you see on all of our DP products. This particular unit will also have dual DVI dual link inputs for your 3D content. When you're sending this unit 3D, you can either send it a single 120 hertz dual link signal, or you can send it a twin 60 hertz signal over a main and sub DVI connector that are on the front of the unit. It has built-in wireless access, built-in Ethernet access, your standard connections for RS-232, lamp access from the rear with filter access from the rear. If you're removing the rear cover, you can replace the filters without having to unscrew anything else. It's completely toolless. Both lamps come out without any tools also and click back in fairly easily with no problems. You're looking at 6,000 lumens from only 900 watts of total power. You can run this on a 15 amp house circuit, 110 volts, no problem all day long. Lenses are ranging from a 0.6 all the way to a 7:1 lens, and it's a great projector for any home cinema with high contrast and 3D capabilities. Now we're going to move on to the CineSkin. Hey, this is the brand new digital projection CineSkin. It's an enclosure for your Titan 250 through 700 series chassis. Available in black, red, and white powder-coated finishes. Encases a anamorphic lens assembly, and lens sled. This particular unit is a Titan 250, same as a 500 chassis. We have integrated into it our lens sled, a ISCO anamorphic lens, and all of the connections needed to hook it up to your existing system. It is ceiling mountable. You have IR repeaters that will come from the front and from the rear. They will repeat into the cabinet, into the projector. The rear of the unit has vent fans and inputs for the cabling, integrated cabling. You have a side panel that is hingeable that will show you all of your connections. You hook everything up. This unit will be slightly larger when it goes into production later this month, so you'll be able to connect everything and close the hatch and have it hidden behind a nice door. It comes with everything needed to hook it all up, and closes and will cut your noise 50%. This unit currently does not have insulation inside of it, but when shipping it will have internal foam insulation on all internal panels. It will also have vent fans in the rear that will exhaust all of the air out of the rear of the unit, so no need to install any other active ventilation. It will vent itself, no problem. The shipping unit will also have glass on the front of it. As far as we know, that's the current update for this unit, and it's great for all of your needs, Titan-based. And that's it for us at the Digital Projection booth. Thanks, and thanks for watching.